already browning up the ground beef. This is in a collaboration with Justina's Country Kitchen. She is doing school cafeteria food or whatever you had in your lunchbox that your mom packed for you. But I'm going to be doing something that I remember having. School cafeteria is sloppy joes. Now I've already browned up the ground beef and I'm going to drain the grease and I'll be back. And I've been out of school 40 years. It's been a long time, but school is starting back. It's already started back here. Now I'm going to add a cup of ketchup. I'll reduce this to simmer. A quarter cup of water. Two teaspoons of Worcestershire. Two teaspoons of mustard. Make sure you mix all that in good. Half a teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. And then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm using light brown sugar. It doesn't say if it has to be dark or light, but that's what I have. You're going to mix all of that in together. I want to bring this to a boil first. So I'll put it back to medium. And then once it comes to a boil, you're going to reduce the heat and simmer it for 15 to 20 minutes. I'll let it simmer for 15 minutes. Make sure you cover it. And now I'm just going to try it for you. I made some crinkle fries to go with it. Now I'm just going to put some. I toast my buns because I like toasted. And they don't do that at the lunchrooms, but that's how I like it. So let me taste this for you. I haven't had a sloppy joe in a very long time. pretty good. See, I don't like melanges, so I don't buy it. But this is really good sloppy joe. Thank you, Justine, for doing this collaboration. And thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, I hope you'll subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Bye.